Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and easy way to allow specific users to display your GIFs on Telegram Web using your PC. This feature comes with a new Telegram update, and it gives you more control over who can see your shared GIFs. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside your chats, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three-line menu icon. Click on it. This will open up your main navigation panel. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Security. This section controls all your personal preferences for who can interact with you and what they can see on your profile. Now, look for the option labeled GIFs and click on it. By default, Telegram might show your gift visibility setting as Everybody or My Contacts, depending on your previous setup. To begin adjusting it, click on Nobody. This hides your GIFs from everyone by default, giving you a clean slate to choose precisely who gets access. Next, tap on the Always Allow option. This is where you can add the specific users who want to see the GIFs you share. Telegram will show your contact list. Simply search for the usernames or pick them from your contacts. Select each person you'd like to include. After you've selected the people you want, just confirm your choice. Telegram will save these settings instantly, and from now on, only the users you allowed will be able to display your GIFs when they view your profile.